Within every single life, yours and mine, there is something or someone or a situation that keeps pushing you into the place of being stuck, or that holds you back, and you may not even realize it. You long for peace, you long for joy, all of these, regardless of the circumstances, you long to grow and really transform your life. But you can't help but thinking that there is something keeping you stuck. I'm Maria. I'm your Christian spiritual director, and I'm offering a workshop called The Power of Forgiveness, because it is something that we all absolutely need. You might think that, oh, I don't have any unforgiveness in me. Or you might think that you already have forgiven the person or the event or the circumstance, I should say, or the people. You might think, well, that's old and that's done with. However, remnants of unforgiveness continually plague us in our lives if we don't simply open ourselves up to this gift of God, and that is forgiveness. There's so much to unpack about it, and we're going to do it in this workshop, The Power of Forgiveness. And it actually, this is going to unleash a freedom within you that you really long for, and that you never fully perhaps understood how to tap into it or how to release it. So we're going to look at forgiveness. We're going to have a practice. You'll leave the workshop with an actual spiritual practice that you'll be able to incorporate into your life. You're going to leave the workshop with a new sense of forgiveness for yourself, forgiveness for God, forgiveness for this other person or people. And you are going to sense, like I said, a level of freedom that perhaps you long for, but you don't know how to get to. So I'm Maria. I'm your spiritual director. I'm going to be holding this workshop on Insight Timer, July 9th, 2022, from 10 a.m. to 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And I know that this gift of forgiveness is absolutely going to change your life. It may even be simpler than you realize, but more freeing than you can ever even imagine. So, register, sign up. You can't afford not to take this, to sit in and take this workshop. You can't afford to keep living your life without this very simple practice and gift of forgiveness. So peace to you, my soul friend. I can't wait to see you in our workshop, The Power of Forgiveness, July 9th. Peace.